Oh, let's see, it's Saturday, I think August 16th, 2019, the ZMAN reporting. Hey, we got our sponsor from Polar Pop. The Gulf of Mexico is filling up to make islands, Polar Pop Islands. Thank you. Oh, National Rifle Association, one of our fine sponsors. Oh my goodness. And least but not, oh, we got American Angling Magazine. Over here, at the Pekin, Illinois, Peoria side of the Pekin Bridge, Peoria side. Well, there's a hell of a storm hitting right now. But we got some folks out fishing. We thought we'd get that on here. They're out there on their boat. Man, it's really raining. It's really coming down. As you can tell, there's the Pekin Boat Club over there. And we got some guys out here on the river right here. We'll try to get closer to them. They're wanting to be a lightning rod. There must be a fishing contest. So they're stuck out in the river in the middle of one hell of a storm. As you can see, here at the ramp. But yeah, it's really coming down, dude. These guys are just having a jolly good time. Must be a lot of money involved. I'd be under that bridge right here fishing. Yeah, the wind's picking up. I think it's gonna hail. I want to get back in the truck. I'm getting wet. It's blowing. If I'm getting wet in the truck, can you imagine what they're getting? How wet they're getting out there in the river? Just imagine. My goodness. Let's see what WMBD's saying this morning.
Well, here's what's happening. Fred Barley is the drummer for the Blues Beatles. Join him and his friends from Brazil. They're going to be in Bloomington Thursday.
It's another one of our fine sponsors. It is WMBD, believe it or not.
Jazz up. Some tickets. You can Google them and get their ticket information.
We got to get them in Peoria.
Are they going to get any big fish out there? This is the...
But I will be there. My friend Mark Algini and I are coming.
Ouija dog.
I'll make sure I say hey when I get over there. But thank you for your time this morning, Fred. We really
They will
appreciate
catch no fish. Lucky if they don't get lightning.
Really,
Want me to drive? I will drive for you. Drive? Yes? Oh, great. You must drive.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's going to be
Everyone that's
taking over.
That's listening to us, come on, join our experience live.
We're on.
Beatles.
Drive slow. Hitting too many bumps.
Fred. Talk to you later, man. Thank you.
Well, that's some of the stuff we did during the week as you're
Hey,
listening
what?
to the
Watch
Greg
the
and
road.
Dan Show Saturday edition. OSF Healthcare.
Oh my goodness, it is really coming down now.
Louisville Slugger Sports Complex in Peoria on Saturday, August 24th.
Oh my goodness.
Free afternoon of baseball fun hosted by Hall of Famer and heart transplant recipient.
It is really, really raining, dude. These guys are staying out in it. I don't care if you paid me 10 million bucks, I am coming in. Gutters on the Pekin Bridge. It's a marvelous day to be fishing, my friends. And Beep and Bop are out there fishing. You can barely see the boat. Other boat went under the Pekin Bridge here. You know, under certain conditions, they should call the tournament early. Holy moly, over and out. Z-Man, over and out. Getting wet here.